welcome back to Let's Make. Today we're going to be making buttercream frosting. Okay, so here's the ingredients. So we're going to have butter, vanilla, milk, and powdered sugar. So first we're going to start opening the butter. And make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Put this in for now. And always remember, don't cut towards yourself. You could probably really get hurt. So when you do this part, I suggest have parent supervision. And now we're going to cut it in half. We're going to need a half of a butter. And how I know that is because the recipe says it. And it says 8 teaspoons make, this is 8 teaspoons, makes 1/2 a cup of butter.
Tablespoons.
Tablespoons makes 1/2 a cup of butter. I'm just going to throw this away. Make sure you get all the butter off. Now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. If it starts to bubble, then stop, okay? And make sure you watch it. Watch it. Make sure it doesn't, oh, wow, that's going quick. Just make, you got a wall. Is that good enough? And over. See how there's still clumps in it? But not that much.
Watch what you're doing.
So now take a knife or probably like a spoon. I'm just using this and start mixing it. And now we're gonna pour this in. And then now we're gonna put this down. Make sure it's locked. See, now it can't go up. And then we're just going to put it to number 1. Make it start stirring. While that's stirring, let's do the next step. So this is sifted powdered sugar. We use this and sifted it, but you gotta make sure you sift it before you use it. So now I'm gonna grab.
How much of this are we adding?
We're adding 4 of these since this is a 1/2 a cup.
What's the recipe call for?
It calls for 2 cups. So 1. 2.
That's not 3. Fill it up. Move it closer to you.
I'm gonna start putting this over. Scooping it over so I can get it all into one. And then I'm gonna scoop it.
Use the spoon.
And then we're going to start scooping it like this. This will be 4. While that's mixing, we're gonna go to the vanilla over here.
How much of this are we adding?
We're adding a half a teaspoon.
1.5.
1.5 of a teaspoon. And we're gonna have one of these and one of these. It doesn't matter which side.
That's not full.
Of course. Oh my gosh. I add one more of these since I spilled it. Ah, so bad.
This is why we measure over here. If we had measured over here, we would have put all that extra stuff in there, right?
Now we're gonna put this cap back on. And now we're gonna take the milk and we're gonna add half a teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of milk.
Fill it up.
And one more. See, I make big messes. Then we're just gonna put this back here and make sure the cap is on nice and tight. And we're gonna let that mix for 4 to 3 minutes. Thank you for watching Let's Make. You can use buttercream many different ways, but we're going to use this buttercream in the next episode on some nice, tasty cupcakes. I can't wait. But make sure to like the video and subscribe and comment down below what I should make. Thank you. Bye.
What happens if you get 100 subscribers?
If